How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Then go to your profile icon. As you can see, this is my professional account or a business account. Now in order to switch back to personal account, simply go to your menu bar. After that, scroll down and then in this For Professional section, go to Creator Tools and Control. Now scroll down and then you will see an option of Switch Account Type. Tap on it and then go to Switch to Personal Account. Confirm switching to personal account and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.